Hi everyone, in this video we're going to set up Godot engine to work with Visual Studio on Windows. Okay, first we're going to open up Godot editor settings. So to do this, we click on editor in the top left, then we click on editor settings. Okay, now you want to scroll down to editor under mono and set the external editor option to Visual Studio. Okay, we can close this. And now you want to run the Visual Studio installer. If you don't have the Visual Studio installer, I guess you can download the installer again and then run it. Okay, this box will pop up, just click yes and wait for that to load up. Okay, now click the modify button. Okay, now it will give you some workloads that you can install. So you just want to check the .NET desktop development option, and then right where this close button is right now, it should say modify. So click that and then just wait for the installation to finish. Once it finishes, we can close this. We can close the installer, and now go back into Godot and we can double click on our C# script. Okay, so as you can see, here it is. So thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.